folks, it's me again. I'm in this video I'm working on a project that I started last year, and I'm gonna finish this thing right here. I'm wearing gloves. This is my kitchen bench, and I haven't had time to work on it, doing other shit, and just clear my head. So right now I'm gonna rub it down with acetone, and I'm gonna give it a spray paint. So why am I covering it with acetone? Because there's probably grease all over it. So I'm gonna try to clean it up with a solvent. Just give it a quick wipe down. It's nothing too fancy. One of the things, I'm gonna open the garage door in a few minutes because it's gonna smell like acetone in here. So it's gonna smell like acetone. Basically just gonna clean it up with acetone. Give it a quick rub down. I'd say it doesn't have to be perfect, but perfect would be good. Try to give it a good acetone wash. I'm not going for like super perfection here, but I just want the paint to stick. That's all I want to do. I tried getting the whole thing. Right now, it's on bolts right now. I didn't put the original, or the brand new feet on it. Ooh-wee. I'll be high as a kite in a few minutes. Hopefully this stuff dissolves real quick. There we go. That should be good enough. Normally I paint first and then remove the paint later. So let me close this. Let me open up the door and I'll be right back. So stay tuned, I'll keep doing this. Hello folks. Well, anyway, it's been a little while. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to have to flip it over and paint the undersides that I missed. And if you like watching paint dry, somehow it's oddly satisfying. The color actually looks a lot more creamy or gray than it does in here. It looks a little darker, but and again, I don't know if it's just these lighting or what. Doesn't seem too bad. I don't see anything paint bubbling. I actually think I got a decent. I've learned not to overspray, not to like go crazy. So anyway, I will throw this in probably the other mix and stay tuned because the board is right over here for the top of this thing. So I'm going to do that next. Once this is all painted, I'll put the bottom on, bring it to my house, and I'll work on the rest. And that'll be 1 year's worth of work on this. If you wonder why it took so long, well, I only come here an hour or two a week and do some videos. So it took me a while. I got 4 kids and this is just a hobby of mine. So. And I got a lot of stuff for a hobby, so hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.